Hello, this demo outlines some of the latest updates to the PII package in IDLE 12.7. In this latest release, we have expanded our coverage of PII entities and aided further compliance of data protection laws worldwide. This includes a complete set of entities for South Africa and Taiwan, as detailed here. There is a new device grammar which detects various device identifiers without context, including IP addresses. We've also added more countries to the national ID grammar, with support now available for Bahrain, Dominican Republic, Egypt, Indonesia, Mexico, Pakistan, and Russia. In the CJKVT names grammar, which currently includes Japan and Taiwan, the full name entity now has additional Latin only and CJKVT only counterparts. This could be useful in constructing an entity that combines strictly Latin forms from several countries, as an example. Full name and full addresses now have associated landmark entities, which could be used in detecting PII information in tables. This slide summarises some efforts made to improve recall rates. Firstly, PII grammars now detect additional types of spaces and apostrophes in all places where spaces and apostrophes were previously expected in input text. Secondly, additional components are detected in address matches. Those include counties for the UK, provinces for Canada, PO box numbers in all supported countries, and post office names in eight countries. Finally, around 1,000 new street name prefixes and suffixes have been added to the PII address grammar. For consistency, street term synonyms now normalise to a common word. I'll now run through a quick demo showing all these changes. The demo uses a Python script which performs adduction on an input file and highlights any matches found. All the grammars used are combined ECRs, except for device ID, which uses a non-combined ECR file. The standard recommended config settings are applied, including those shown here. Firstly, we have the set of South African entities, which have all been detected here. I'll run over the results in reverse so the pop-up box with the match details doesn't hide the subsequent result each time. So we have nationality, TIN, national ID, passport, driving licence, date of birth, telephone number, full address, and full name. You can also see that the full name and full address landmarks have been detected. Name landmark, address landmark. All landmarks cover a wide range of languages where possible, including English and Afrikaans. Moving on to Taiwan, and again, the full set of entities have been detected, including the full address and full name landmarks. You also see that the Latin only and CJKVT only full name entities have matched here. It's got health, ID, nationality, TIN, national ID, passport, driving licence, date of birth, telephone number, full address landmark, Latin name, CJKVT name, full name landmark. Here are some device IDs that have been adduced: ICCID, MEID, IMEI, MAC address, and IP address, and national IDs for Russia, Pakistan, 2 for Mexico, Indonesia, Egypt, Dominican Republic, and Bahrain. Note that Arabic digits are detected for Egypt. As usual, device and national ID matches are confirmed by a checksum algorithm where possible. Finally, I'll demo some of the efforts to improve recall. The first address is a UK address which includes a right single quote and no break spaces. The street name suffix SQ has been detected and normalised to square. The county, Cambridgeshire, has also been detected. In this Canadian address, the PO box number, post office, and province of Quebec have all been adduced. The street name suffix BLVD has also been detected and normalised to boulevard. For further information on the latest changes to PII, visit www.microfocus.com/documentation/idle. Click on the latest version and search for the PII technical note.